Good everyone, my name is Graphics. In this video, we want to construct the figure that is displayed at the right hand side of the screen in isometric projection. When you hear the word isometric projection, the first thing you should do is to draw your isometric axis, which is the vertical, the horizontal, the x, and the y. You can see that. Let me extend this more. Now, we are told that the total length here is from here to here, which is 40. So I'm going to measure 40 and I'm going to thicken it instantly just to save our time. Because from that point is thickened, right? So I'm going to what? Thicken it instantly. Now the next one is from here to here, which is 120, which is from here to somewhere around here. So I'm going to measure the 120 and I will thicken it instantly. You see that? I'm going to use this to thicken it. Now the next one is total height. The total height given from here to here. Now from here to here is 20 plus from here to here is 40, which is 60. So I'm going to measure the total height to be given as what? As 60. 0 to what? To 6 is 60. So now what I'll do is all these points, I'm going to take it up with my faint line. Right? I'll form my box. So this is what we have. I brought out the box, right? The reason I thickened from here to because on the question from here to here is from here to here, and that is thickened. Similarly with this side too. Now if you look at this now, the height from here to here is given to be what? 20. So we'll measure the height from here to around here, which is 20. 0 to 20. Right? And what I can see, it is thickened. So I'm going to thicken it. Right? And if you look at it, it's extended from this point to this point, which is this point to somewhere around here. And I'm going to what? Extend it. And just put it here, depending on how you want to join it. You can see that. And from here to here, which is from here to here, is also what? Is also thickened. So you just join it. You can see that. Then I'm going to move this from this point, draw a line to this point, right? So I didn't tick it because from here to here is not ticking. So what I'm going to do is from here to here is equals to from here to here, which is what, 30. So I'm going to just draw another line here, right? And I'm going to measure 30, 0 to 30, right? And I'll ticking it straight up because it's ticking in the question. Then here also, I'm going to close it up here. Don't forget this is placed on my what? My t-square, right? I'm going to close it up straight up. Right? And close it up too as shown in the diagram. Then the rest one is going up. Since we know the entire height is 60, that means from here to here is 20. Then the rest is 40. I'll just take this up from here, straight down up to this point. From here also, straight down up to this point. And I'm going to join them. I'll tick in it since it's ticking in the question. Right? So I'll just tick in it. You can see that? I was given that from here to here is 15. So I'll measure 15 again from this point to here is 15. Now I'm going to tick in it because from this point to this point is from here to this point here. And I'll tick in here straight up. And also here too. Then I'll bring this down to the same level from here to here. Right? And we are told that from here to here is 30. Right? So I'm going to measure another 30 from this point. From 0 to 30 is here. I'll draw a line from here straight down here, and I'll bring it down here. Then I'll close it up as shown in the diagram. Right? And I can just bring this in this way as shown in the diagram too. Just come here to touch this. And I'll bring it down to this way. We're not replicating what we're seeing in the diagram. You see that? Then from here to here is from here to here, which is what? 15. So I'll measure 15 from here. 0 to 15. And I'm going to tick in it. I'm closing here too. I'll close it up. And I'll bring it down. Just replicating what is shown on the diagram here. Right? And I'll close it up. Then here also. Then close it up as shown in the diagram. Touching here. Now doesn't end there. Here also is closed up. And what's remaining is there's a shape here, right? For you to draw any shape that is centralized, what you have to do first is to get the center of the figure here. So the center here is given to be 20 because the entire length is 40, right? So I'm going to measure what? 20, and this is 20 here. I'll just draw my vertical line. Or better still, to get the center, just draw a diagonal from here to here. So you're wasting your time. And also draw a diagonal from here to here. So if you draw a diagonal of a plane figure, you're going to be having the center of that plane figure. So this is the center here. Is that again? No. So that's how you get the center of a plane figure. So from here, you can easily just draw this. And also, I'll draw this through the center. So what I actually need is the vertical and the horizontal here. Now we are told that the height is 15, the length is what? Is 20. So to get the length, I'm going to measure half of 20, which is 10. So I'll place it here from 0 to 10, half of 20, and I'll place it at the center here. So if I mark 10 here, I'm going to mark 10 at the other side. You can see that. Then the other one, the height from here to here is 15. So I'll measure half of it is 7.5. Which is what? 7.5. 7.5 here. Right? And I'll place it at the center here. I'm going to mark up and I'll mark down. Is that again? So I'll now take my set square and I'm going to draw a line passing through those points. So through this point, I'll draw a vertical line. Through this point also, I'll draw another vertical line. Then I'll close them up so that it will form my what? My rectangle. Right? So from this point, passing through this point, I'll just take in this since I know I'm ending. Then I'll come here also. I'll do the same thing through this point. Right? And I'll take in it. And I'll close it up. From here. And from here. You see that? So I can virtually just take this down because it should be a true. So I'll just take this down this way. Is that again? And similarly, this is symmetrical object. What I mean symmetrical is when you divide it into two, what is at the left hand side is equal to what at the right hand side. Right? And also when you divide it in this manner, what you see at this side is equal to what you see at this side. So I'm going to do the same thing here. So I don't have to disturb myself. I'll just transfer my point from here. I'll just draw a line this way. Similarly from here, I'll draw another line here, but it's not that obvious. Right? And again, I'll just take get the center line on this point. You just replicate the same thing here. So I don't want to just stress myself. So I'll just transfer the point from here to here. Is from here to somewhere around here. So that's the center. Right? So what I'll just do is I'll just measure the height from here to here. I'll place it here. And I'm having this. Right? And the length, I also need the length too. So I draw my line here. It's just replicating the same thing, so I just want it to be faster. I'll just draw the same thing here. So the length, I measure from here to here. I'll place it here. And I'll be having this. This way is actually ending. Right? So I'll just do this from this point. I'll draw a line. Then from this point, draw that line. So that is what we have there, right? So we have replicated the diagram that is displayed at the right hand side of the screen in isometric projection, right? So if you have found this video, what's also important again here is for you to do your dimensioning. Your dimension is very important, just like as you see in the figure. You dimension, ensure that those lines, dimension lines, are not touching the what, the main figure. What I mean is, we know that let me just give you an instance. From here to here and here to here, so this is 120, right? So we know that that is 120. Is that taken from here to here and here to here, going to be what, 120. So that's what we just have there. So we'll move forward. So if you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share the video. Thanks for watching.